Churvs! We have another collaboration video and this time is with Bedlore. I'm going to do an honest review of this product, so come on and join me. They have sent me a king-size waterproof mattress pad and we'll see if it is truly waterproof. They have different sizes here on the box, has 10-year warranty, and has a Class 1 medical device with the FDA. Their packaging is nice as you can see. And the pad came vacuum packed. It also came with a bag for storing or for washing maybe? I am not sure what is this for. Come, I'm going to show you the underside of this pad, which is labeled TPU and is what makes it waterproof. Just a moment, I'm going to fit it on our king-size bed. As you can see, it fits well. What do you think, Felix? Do you approve? The mattress pad is soft and the waterproof packing material doesn't make rustling or crickling noises. Let's test it! My husband poured tea on this pad and patted it in. He wiped off the excess and look! Proven to be waterproof. We had trouble sliding it off because it fits so well. We don't see any stain or sew-through. You can see the stain is not even visible on the underside. This pad is really 100% waterproof. Now let's wash it. It washes just like a normal blanket. And afterwards, my husband put it in the dryer on a low setting. And boom! Now the mattress pad is clean again. And my son loves it! The edges don't slide up, it stays on the mattress. And I think my son approved it. I highly recommend this product to everyone, especially to all the mothers who are looking for a waterproof mattress pad for their young kids. Hurry! Check the link in the description box and get a 10% discount when you place an order. This offer is only available for a limited time, so don't be late! Don't delay! Bedlore is truly 100% waterproof mattress pad.